Okay, we tried this Real Good Food Company lightly breaded chicken nuggets. It's horrible. It is really, 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 really spongy, chewy. The color on the bag is incorrect. The color of the breading is much darker than this. And what do you think of the coating, the breading of the?
Kind of dry texture. I don't know.
Yeah, it was really like, I don't know. It was dry. It was crumbly.
Yeah. I had to use sauce.
And the inside was so spongy, and just the texture and mouthfeel of the inside was really off. So I would not recommend this product. I would not get it again. If you've had this product before, I would love to hear your thoughts. Maybe you enjoyed it. Maybe you thought it was the bee's knees, but no, it was not for us. Yeah, I would say avoid. There are other products out there that are similar, but that are actually worth some money. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.